What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Fixit channel. On the bench here I have a steering stem out of an ATV. Specifically this is a Suzuki LTZ 400. Buddy wants +2 on the steering stem. That's a lot of money. So I'm going to machine down a piece of steel, cut this thing in two and extend it 2 inches. Stay tuned.
I was sitting out there in the shed one evening, not doing too much of nothing, just kind of staring at the wall. And
alright, I threw this on a chop saw, cut it right in two. I'm just going to take a few measurements here. It's 1 inch 60, that's 3/4. So I got to turn down my piece. It's going to be longer. I'm going to turn down shoulders. It's going to get pressed into both ends, so that way it keeps it straight and strong. And let's go over to the lathe. Alright, got my piece of steel chucked in the lathe. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to face it off. Alright, this is going to take a while. I'll bring it back. And I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to turn down the other end to make it all that same width. Alright, now I'm going to turn a shoulder on here to 752, which is basically 3/4. And you take off 305 off of that. Just trying to make a nice fit for that. Press it in place. Should be good. Alright, flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to chamfer these edges. I got the machine running backwards. I'm going to chamfer on the back side because I can't really get my bit up in there. Choke up on my tool just a little bit. Bevel on that so I can get some weld down in there. Flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. Alright, the next thing I want to do is I want to bore a hole through this to kind of lighten it up a little bit. Alright, got the 2-inch spacer pressed into the shaft. Now it's time to weld. And there we go. Got a 2-inch extended steering stem. Hey, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.